Want more buying power with margin trading? Let's enable margin on Robinhood the right way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the account icon at the top right. Go to Settings, then tap Robinhood Gold. Make sure your account is verified. Now you'll need to upgrade to Gold to access margin trading. Just follow the prompts and upgrade to the terms. Once you are upgraded, go back to your settings and tap margin investing to enable it. Robinhood may ask some questions about your experience and risk tolerance before unlocking margin for your account. Be sure to understand the risk of borrowing money to trade. Interest is charged on borrowed funds and losses can stack up quickly. Have you used margin before or are you just exploring it now? Let's chat in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.